Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Learning by Gyan. In today's tutorial we will learn meaning of special in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you like this video, kindly hit like button and share this video to all and subscribe to our channel. Special meaning in English is important for some particular reason, or something that is not of the usual or ordinary type.
स्पेशल का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है खास, विशेष या विशिष्ट.
Example sentences: We have created a special category for part-time workers.
हमने अंशकालिक श्रमिकों के लिए एक विशेष श्रेणी बनाई है.
Do you want anything special?
क्या आप कुछ खास चाहते हैं?
Do you have anything special in mind?
क्या आपके मन में कुछ खास है?
I want you to meet someone very special.
मैं चाहता हूं कि आप किसी बेहद खास व्यक्ति से मिलें.
Today is a very special day.
आज एक बहुत ही खास दिन है.
This work calls for special skill.
यह काम विशेष कौशल की मांग करता है.